Hi everybody, Liz Levine with Signature College Counseling. So this week's Tuesday Talks with Liz, I'm going to give you a tip on what else you can do in the comfort of your own home to research colleges. So we all want to know what the college campus looks like, right? So yes, you can go to the college website and look at their virtual tour, but of course that's very pretty. It's been directed, put together, make sure it looks in the best light. I always feel it's best, and I encourage my students and families to go to YouTube. You can say YouTube College Campus Tour for Sacred Heart University, and probably 15 of them will come up. You can go to campustours.com or youvisit.com, and these videos will be much more real for you. So go ahead to these websites, look for campus tours and view them. And don't just view one, view many of them. So that way you get a real feel for what the campus is like. Liz Levine, Signature College Counseling, making your college admissions journey easier to navigate.